Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a video and today we're going to be checking the birds. So as you know, this is the red mosaic couple who have 4 babies in there, very hungry. Now to the red mosaic gate male and his female there. Oh, they have babies. And there's 4 babies. Looks like two are like lighter and 2 of them are darker. So that's nice. Now to this set of not budgies, canaries. They've got some eggs in there, that's really good. Now to these canaries are red mosaic with the red mosaic gate. And these haven't really had eggs or anything so far. This time they've got 1 egg. It's hard to see, but there, 1 egg. That's good news. Now to the budgies. As you can see, here are the 2 that used to have loads of eggs, but none of them are fertile, so we got rid of them. As you can see, nothing in there. Now to these budgies. They've got no egg too. That's a shame. This is our good couple of budgies. They've actually got a big baby there, 1 big baby budgie. That's really good, some few eggs, so yeah. They'll be getting a brother sister soon. Now to the canaries up in here. There's the father eating, as you can see, and the mother's in there. She's not going to come out, so I don't know. I don't think she has babies in there. Maybe in a few days. Now to the flight. As you can see, these are all the zebra finches. Got them there, a male and a female there. Now to this fight. It looks like this canary wants to get out. Right, now, as you can see, we've got the birds in, wild and native birds in here. And there's a canary in there. Doesn't look like she's going to move, but hopefully they have eggs. I believe that's the male there, male canary. And our green finches are there, back again, there. So yeah, that's good. Bye guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.